Okay guys, so my dogs are going nuts. Let me see what it is. I can open up this door. Hold on.
If you're primarily looking to relocate to a place that prioritizes education,
What are you guys trying to get down there? They're trying to get something underneath the ramp here.
They often corner rats or rabbits or something there.
Wow, but it's really windy outside. Just look at them go, though. You get whatever it is, guys. Wow, that's crazy.
Armadillo.
So we're trying to see what it is.
They
Yeah.
finally got it out from underneath there. It's dead.
Yeah. Oh, I can smell it. Wow.
Well, you're smelling a dead one that's over there on the end of the house.
Huh.
Yeah, they finally dug it out. That thing's been there forever.
They did. I'm so proud of them. Killadillas.
Two-bit dug it out.
Yeah, Two-Bit dug it out, yeah.
He's been trying to get a hold of that thing forever.
Finally got it.
What do you know, guys?
I'm sure he feels
What a nice quick little video.